Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I am Jay, and in this video we'll be talking about um, creating of configuring records about disabilities and health status. Now disabilities and health status they look almost exactly the same way, and this is a functionality that enables the school to actually have a track the record of the health status of the students and also the disabilities of the student, as the case may be. Now if we want to do that, we need to go through this see more of the ICT admin account. When you click on that, you will now be exposed to more dashboards, and inside this dashboard we'll be having on these dashboards you'll be having the disability and the health status. Now we're discussing about just disabilities, because the discussion about the health status or the disability is just exactly the same thing. So we clicking on this create disability. Now when you click on that button, you'll be given this interface. It's just two fields that you need to fill. It's the name of the disability and a description about the condition. Now this one can be visually impaired as a disability. We can describe it to be that the person or student has a poor vision due to some certain conditions of the eyes. Now we'll save. Now after this, clicking the save button, you can see that visually impaired. So if we save, name is visually impaired. This is the description of the person or student has a poor vision due to some certain conditions of the eye. Now we can edit it to another thing using this link. You can, if you already set up disabilities, you can have visually impaired, lame, non, one-eyed person. You can view it by clicking on it to have a problem Amputee. Now it has that the name is of Amputee description. One or both of the person has been partially or fully cut off. Now you can change it, because if you can look at his hands, it's supposed to be hands, but you can still edit it to appear appropriately. It's supposed to look like. Now we have to put S there to make it grammatically correct. Then we can also deactivate any of those disabilities in a situation whereby it's required of it not to be used any longer. Now we have this, and we can say we want to it's a one-eyed person was successfully deactivated. If you need to find out that the one-eyed person is no longer active, therefore whenever we are creating students and we need to assign disability to any particular student, the one-eyed person will no longer be an option there. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Make sure you sign up for new scholars. Thank you.